ओडिशा बजार को गोटे बड़ निवेश संभावना रहुछि। दिल्ली रे निवेश सम्मेलन मुख्यमंत्री उपस्थित आज देशर 3 प्रमुख तैल कंपानी सहित एमओयू स्वाक्षर हेबाकु जाउछि। पारादीप रे मेगा डुआल फीड क्रैकर पई आईओसीएल सहित चुक्ति हेबो। चंडीखोल अशोधित तैल बजार करिबो इंडियन स्ट्रेटेजिक पेट्रोलियम रिजर्व लिमिटेड। सेपटे गोपालपुर एलएनजी टर्मिनल प्रतिष्ठा करिबो पेट्रोनेट एलएनजी लिमिटेड।
यूनियन कैबिनेट श्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी, Shri Jual Oram ji, Honorable Minister for Industries and Skill Development and Technical Education and Government of Odisha, Shri Sampath Chandra Swain ji, my colleagues, the Chairman of IOCL, senior officials, Secretary Shri Pankaj Jain, Shri Panda ji, Captains of Industry, senior officials on the Government of India and the Government of Odisha, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सबसे तो पहले तो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, मैं आपको बधाई देना चाहता हूं। आपने जब से दायित्व संभाला है, उड़ीसा में एक नई एनर्जी और बज है और उसके लिए मैं आपको बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूं। और आज जो एक बड़ी शानदार प्रेजेंटेशन हुई उड़ीसा में ओवरऑल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट के बारे, उससे ये भी क्लियर स्पष्ट है कि अगले 25 सालों के लिए आपने इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट प्लान्स बना लिए हैं। तो बहुत बहुत आपको बधाई हो। आई एम पर्टिकुलरली हैप्पी इंडिविजुअली टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस इन्वेस्टर्स कनेक्ट मीट, एंड द रीजन फॉर दैट इज दैट द इन्वेस्टर्स will not go and congregate in any gathering unless they see some potential for economic return. So if you have a good turnout like this and you have investors in several sectors who are joined in this effort, you can be sure that we are, for that limited purpose, on the right track. The Honorable Prime Minister had launched the Purvodaya initiative, which is a very central and important plank to making India a Viksit Desh or a Viksit Bharat by 2047. And it will also be a propelling factor as we move from being a $4 trillion GDP to a $7 and $10 trillion GDP in the coming years. Let me, as the Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas, set the context of how I see this sector, particularly energy for consumption, petrol, diesel, energy transition, and the petrochemical sector. But before I go down that road, I think the point that needs to be emphasized, especially here, is that I was fortunate to have as my predecessor my senior colleague, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, who provided stewardship to the ministry for 7 years. I've only been there for 3.5 or a little more. And if Odisha has done well, I think the groundwork for that has been laid by Shri Pradhan ji. And I will, of course, be happy as the investments by IOCL and others today bear witness. We shall add to that in order to propel this part of the country towards further economic momentum and also as part of the national effort. Let me outline the context as I see it. I think for a gathering like this, it needs to be emphasized that for any country, energy provides both a reasonably good indicator of how the economy is faring and also is one of the propelling factors for further advancement. When I had the privilege of being associated with this ministry, our crude oil consumption per day was 5 million barrels. Today, 3.5 years later, it is already 5.5 million barrels. And as we go forward, I can say without any hesitation that we are going to be consuming 6.5, and even more million barrels a day. Different international